Hello everyone, I'm Johra Achudan, Assistant Lecturer in English attached to ATI, Vaunia. My presentation topic is the role of folk tales in enhancing reading comprehension and good attitudes of the learners in the English language classrooms in Sri Lanka. The content of my presentation includes the topics such as introduction, research problem, research objectives, methodology, results and discussion, conclusion, reference. Introduction of my research. Folk tale could be considered as fictional genre in literature which emphasize the moral values and justice which should be adapted by the mankind for the peaceful existence and mutual understanding in the ever-changing world. As such, this genre has been widely used in the textbooks used for the language development of the learners with the focus of developing reading comprehension, attitudes, and socializing the students by giving an interesting exposure for the learners into those texts. Research problem. According to the studies, the importance of folk tales in the English language development, especially in the enhancement of reading skills, has not been realized adequately in Sri Lanka. It has been the problem of my research. Let me explain the research objectives. The research objective is to investigate how folk tales are used in the English language teaching and learning context. This research was conducted at Marailapai village in Vaunia district using a mixed method, qualitative and quantitative research methods. To collect the data, exam papers, focus group discussions, interview, and participatory observations were used. 40 students between grades 6 and 11 were taken for this study. Those who are studying at Special Intensive English Language Teaching Program. Random sampling method was used to select the samples, and this study was conducted for 1 year of time. Variables such as teaching methodology, assessment methods, evaluation procedure, and perception of both students, parents, and teachers were taken as independent variables. I come to the results and the discussion part. Let me read the findings of my research. The findings revealed that the lack of awareness of teachers, parents, and students in realizing its importance in the language development, especially in the enhancement of the students' moral values and attitudes, was seen. Though folk tales adapting the modernized concepts have been included in the textbooks, the teachers practice to enhance the reading skills along with good attitudes is not in a satisfactory level in the classrooms. In many circumstances, such texts have been neglected or inappropriately used by the majority of teachers in the class. The data collected from the students revealed that, as it has been abandoned in the teaching context, in the process of assessments and evaluation too, they were not materialized, which shows the lack of application of the theoretical knowledge by the teachers teaching English as a second language in the scenario. So the findings revealed the skills or the attitudes of the students which were expected by studying the folk tales are not tested, are not evaluated at the end. I come to the conclusion of my presentation, the conclusion of my research. The practice of the teachers questions the concern of students' attitudes, though the development of knowledge and skills are given importance. Specifically speaking, even though the reading comprehension of the students are enhanced significantly, the attitudes which are expected by from those texts from the students are not achieved, as the folk tales are not properly handled by the teachers in the classrooms. Therefore, even though the knowledge and the skills are improved to a level, the attitudes of the students in collaboration with the knowledge and the skills are not adequately encouraged or taken in concern. These are the references of my presentation and research. Thank you.